Hey guys, today we'll see how to do leak-proof packing. This is an interesting trick, so do watch this video. Hello, namaste. Welcome to Flying Skies 1. How are you all doing? Hope you're all happy. Yes, as you see in the picture, I've got half-used Ashirvad salt packet. As you see in the picture, I'm drawing a mark to seal this packet. Now take a knife that you have usually in your kitchen. As you see in the picture, just turn on the flame of your stove and just heat the knife just for 30 to 60 seconds. That's it, don't overheat it. And after heating the knife, now immediately rush to the packet. As shown in the picture, strike a line through the packet with the help of the knife. That's it, done. Your packet is sealed and you can enjoy leak-proof packing. I'll show you here how it has been sealed. This is absolutely awesome trick, and if any of you have tried this, let me know in the comment section. I'm showing once again here. It is leak-proof and spill-proof. It's been completely sealed and you can use it in anywhere during your journeys. That's it all for today. If you like this video, do comment, subscribe to Flying Skies 1, and don't forget to share this video to your friends and family. Have a good day. Keep smiling.